Well, I have a theory about that. It's a theory about most instruments except the piano, which is that with the voice, with the violin, no note, even in the hands of the greatest professional, no note starts in tune.
Oh.
There's always a process of it getting into tune. You hear where it is and you quickly adjust it, but the professional makes that adjustment so rapidly
Yeah.
that the listener thinks it was on that pitch from the very start. They don't notice the several hundredths of a second
Yeah.
during which it found its pitch.
Hmm.
And we might benefit if we, it's sort of like we push the note down and a sound comes out. And we've dispensed a lot with things like, oh, I wonder what this note sounds like. Such an easy question to answer. All I have to do is push the note down and I'm going to get an answer. But there's something to be said about wondering. I wonder what this is going to sound like.
Hmm.
So if I don't have to adjust my finger exactly on the string to bring it into tune, maybe, given what I expect to hear, I might have to adjust that expectation up or down a little bit when I do hear it. I may have to revise my expectation to conform to what it really is. And that's a form of changing the tuning also, in a way.
It's like sight reading.
Yeah. Sight reading is this amazing combination of playing know-it-all and know-nothing. You have to convince the listener that you've played the piece 100 times before. So you have to have this air of, I know all. I know everything. There's nothing in this piece that I do not understand. And yet leave yourself open for the fact that I don't know what note's coming next.
Hmm.